Hey there, fellow dreamers. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a tale of resilience, dreams, and destiny. In the quaint village of Willowbrook, nestled amidst rolling hills and lush greenery, there lived a humble weaver named Elias. With nimble fingers and a heart full of dreams, Elias spent his days and nights hunched over his loom, weaving intricate patterns into colorful fabrics that adorned the homes of the villagers. Despite his skill and dedication, Elias struggled to make ends meet. The demands of his craft were relentless, and the meager earnings from his labor barely sufficed to put food on his table. Yet, amidst the hardships, Elias clung to a flicker of hope, a dream that one day his talents would be recognized and he would rise above his humble beginnings. As the seasons turned and the years passed, Elias remained steadfast in his pursuit of excellence. He poured his heart and soul into every thread, weaving tales of love and longing, of triumph and tragedy into the fabric of his creations. And though his hands grew calloused and his eyes weary, he never once faltered in his resolve. One fateful evening, as Elias sat by the hearth, his tired eyes closing in exhaustion, a gentle slumber enveloped him like a warm embrace. And in the realm of dreams, a wondrous vision unfolded before him, a vision that would change the course of his destiny forever. In his dreams, Elias found himself standing at the edge of a vast, shimmering sea, its waters reflecting the golden hues of the setting sun. A sense of wonder washed over him as he gazed out into the horizon, where the sky met the sea in an endless expanse of possibility. And then, as if summoned by some unseen force, Elias beheld a magnificent ship sailing towards him, its billowing sails catching the wind as it glided across the waves. On its deck stood a figure cloaked in robes of shimmering gold, a radiant presence that filled Elias's heart with awe. "Welcome, Weaver," the figure spoke, its voice echoing like distant thunder. "I am the keeper of dreams, and I have come to guide you on a journey of discovery." With a gesture of its hand, the keeper beckoned Elias aboard the ship, and together, they set sail into the unknown. Across storm-tossed seas and starlit skies, they ventured forth, weaving through realms of wonder and enchantment that existed beyond the boundaries of mortal imagination. Along the way, Elias encountered a host of colorful characters, fierce warriors and wise sages, cunning tricksters and noble knights, who shared tales of their own quests and adventures. Each encounter left an indelible mark on Elias's soul, igniting a fire within him to seek out his own destiny with newfound fervor. As the days turned into weeks and the weeks into months, Elias's journey took him to distant lands and uncharted territories, where he faced trials and tribulations that tested his courage and resolve. Yet with each challenge he overcame, he grew stronger and more determined to fulfill his purpose. And then, at long last, the moment of reckoning arrived, a fateful encounter with the legendary tapestry of destiny, a mystical artifact said to hold the secrets of the universe within its threads. With bated breath and trembling hands, Elias approached the tapestry, his heart pounding with anticipation. And as he reached out to touch its gossamer surface, a surge of energy coursed through him, filling him with a profound sense of clarity and purpose. In that moment, Elias understood the true nature of his quest, to weave his own destiny, not with threads of silk and wool, but with the power of his imagination and the strength of his spirit. And with newfound determination, he set to work, crafting a masterpiece that would transcend the boundaries of time and space. As the final stitches fell into place, a radiant glow suffused the tapestry, illuminating the darkness with a brilliance that rivaled the stars themselves. And in that moment, Elias knew that his journey was complete, that he had fulfilled his destiny and achieved his wildest dreams. With a sense of peace and fulfillment washing over him, Elias bid farewell to the keeper of dreams and returned to the waking world, his heart brimming with gratitude for the wondrous odyssey that had led him to this moment. And from that day forth, Elias's name would be spoken in hushed whispers across the lands, remembered as the weaver who dared to dream the impossible and weave the fabric of his own destiny. For in the tapestry of life, every thread has its place, and every dream has the power to shape the course of history. And though the road may be long and the journey arduous, Those who dare to chase their dreams will find that the greatest adventures await them just beyond the horizon. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this tale, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring stories. Until next time, keep dreaming and weaving your own destiny.